Hello everyone, welcome to Coding Studio Learners. In this video, I tell about how to find the maximum number between three numbers. So in previous video, I tell about how to install the C++. So accordingly, I will tag this video, tag this how to install the C++ in this. So um, to find the maximum value, first of all, you have to know the logic. So let's see the algorithm taking the to find the three values of maximum value. We are needed four values like a comma, b comma, and maximum. To find the maximum value, we needed three values. So the next step, we have to initialize it. Initialize means taking any values like inside the program or while running the program, initializing only three values, which is a, b, and c. Next, comparison means in between comparison we have to compare. If statement has if a is greater than b, double ampersand, a is greater than c. Next, print has a, it is not printing, means we have to maximum has a, maximum equals to a. So this is the statement have to print, means taking the maximum value as a because automatically it is taken. So let's see, if a is greater than b, then a is greater than c, it is automatically maximum is a is showing. So next statement is if else if have to consider like this as a no b is greater than c, double ampersand, and next statement it is b is greater than a. Next, automatically maximum value is b. So next is else. In else statement is directly maximum equals to c. Value we have to print the maximum value. So it means it has to print like percentage d. So it is not needed as firstly. So maximum value is equals to percentage d comma maximum. So this is the algorithm which is needed for programming. So let's see the programming. New, start the, let's I'm taking as a program to find max value of three numbers. Hash include stdio dot h in main, and we are taking the int a comma b comma c comma maximum value. And next we have to initialize it, means printf enter a comma b comma c values. Next, scanf. Next we have to, what we have to do, percentage d and percentage t, three times we have to take. Next, ampersand a comma ampersand b comma ampersand c. This is the statement we have to print it. Automatically you can able to take as int a equals to 10, b equals to something like values, but maximum value is not needed to find. To finding the maximum value is between three numbers, we did not need to consider the maximum value initialize. So let's see comparison. If a is greater than b and double ampersand, he has a is greater than c. Next statement is like this. So maximum equals to a automatically. So you have to consider here semicolon and here also semicolon, and the next it is automatically goes to else if statement. Else if I'm taking like b is greater than c, double ampersand, as b is greater than a. Else if here what it is, maximum equals to b. Next is else statement. It is automatically goes to else statement whether both statements are false. Maximum equals to c. So in this statement, to print maximum value, printf. Next maximum value is percentage d comma max percentage maximum value. Let's save it. I'm saving this in my folder like this. I'm saving as 4.c. Let's save, and I'm executing and compiling at a time. So let's see. Wait some time to run it. I'm taking the values as 34, 45. No comma is needed for it. 45 and 56. So maximum value is 56. So here it is the statement which is true. I hope you understood the video. If you like the video, please like the video and subscribe the video and click the bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching.